Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start now. Make sure your device is updated on Wi-Fi and above 20% battery. Have your Apple ID email and password available and a trusted phone number for verification. On iPhone, open Settings. On Mac, open System Settings. Once there, tap Sign into your device and enter your Apple ID. If you don't have one, choose Create Apple ID and follow the prompts. This gets you into the authentication flow quickly, so you can complete iCloud setup next. After signing in, expect a two-factor authentication prompt. Retrieve the 6-digit code on a trusted device or via SMS, then enter it. Once verified, you'll see iCloud terms, accept to proceed, and then pick which services to sync: Photos, Contacts, iCloud Drive, and more. Make sure to decide about iCloud backup here. If you need more space, choose a storage plan now or keep the free 5 GB and upgrade later in settings. These choices determine what data gets merged to iCloud. Finish by confirming whether to merge local data with iCloud. Choose carefully to avoid unwanted duplicates. Once setup completes, make sure syncing is active by checking iCloud. Com or another signed device for photos, contacts, and iCloud Drive files. If items don't appear, toggle iCloud switches off and on, then wait a few minutes. As a key troubleshooting tip, if you can't sign in or receive no verification codes, reset your Apple ID password or check Apple system status. This resolves most common login and sync interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.